get a good spin going. That's not too bad. That'll do for demonstration purposes. Wait for it. Keep watching. The finale is the fun part. In the meantime, let's spin some more. They're so fun. I love spinning them. I take them into the living room at night now. Watch it. Here it comes. Here comes the finale. Watch it. Watch it. Wait for it. Ah, look at that. Catches. Every time this will catch. That's a good spin. What I found with the spinning towers and the catch tops is they have to be the right weight, they have to be the right proportion. All the measurements all the way around have to be just right, because that top has got to catch that rim of the spin tower in its catcher. And if it's too top heavy, there's that pun again, it won't catch. If it's too light, it spins right off.